So, the aliens attacking West Bloomfield, Michigan. They are stealing all our menorahs. I don't know what to do. There's an alien on your head, Joe. There's an alien. Alien. Well, his middle name's Joseph. His middle name's Joseph, but his first name's Judah Finkelstein. You know us Jews have weird names, like my name's Jacob Goldenstein. Jacob with the K. That's right. Jacob with the K. But yeah, we're menorah makers from West Bloomfield, Michigan. And these aliens, this little alien right here, is just stealing our menorahs. They don't want to celebrate Hanukkah no more. Those 8 crazy nights do not exist in this town. Because these aliens are stealing our menorahs. Not our yarmulkes though. We got our yarmulkes. Our dreidels, those is drying for the Hanukkah season though. Yom Kippur, Rosh Hashanah, those are fine. But our menorahs are gone.